What's that? Oh. Ah, yeah. Oh my God, there's a lot of dust in there. Who the hell are you? I am the GPU Genie. Nice shirt. Is that Robert Graham? Hey, 7 years ago called. Yeah, well, I'm a GPU, so I'm kind of like a trendy fuckboy that wears, shirts that were trendy 7 years ago. Why are you bouncing up and down like that? I'm levitating. This is me levitating up and down. It's really just doing calf raises, and I'm on about 700 right now, so it's getting kind of tiring. So I get 3 wishes, huh? I don't grant wishes because I'm a GPU Genie, but I will send you back in time to your past self 20 years ago, and you may give yourself one message and one message only. One message. Okay. I think I got it. You ready? All right, I gotta find myself and tell myself to buy Bitcoin in 2010 or whenever it was. What a strange place. Oh, there I am. Hey. Yo, who the fuck you is? Well, I'm you 20 years from now. You're me in 20 years? Whoa. Train wreck. Holy shit. All right, I don't have a lot of time. A genie sent me back here to give you one message and one message alone. I just got to make sure that it's a really good message that will impact your life, our life, for the better. A genie? Can I just ask, do we get laid before we turn 25? No. Lame. One message, huh? Well, I'm ready. Oh. Hang on, I gotta... Yeah, you remember having your wisdom teeth out? Yeah, I remember. Yeah, well, the doctor gave me these pills for pain, and he said they're not habit forming and that they wouldn't become a significant issue later in life, so I'm just eating them like candy. Oh, that would be a really good message too. Oh, maybe you should... No, we gotta stick to the internet money. Hey, did we end up going on that vacation to the Ohio Zoo? I heard they got some new gorilla in. It's supposed to be pretty cool looking. Like, I was thinking maybe I could go and say hey to the gorilla, and maybe that would keep something terrible from happening to him in like a few years or whatever. Harambe? No, I gotta stick to the internet money. All right, well, I know you can't tell me. You don't wanna waste the message, so I'm ready for it. What's the message that's gonna just change my life? So there's gonna be this magical internet money, right? It's like on the thing called the internet. You know what the internet is. Oh, hang on. Sorry. Hey, what's up, dude? Yeah, I got my car back. Yeah, I'll pick you up later. We'll do a little, cigarettes too. Nice. All right, I'll see you there. Sorry, go ahead. Your car, what car are you driving right now? Yeah, 94 Cavalier. It gets around, it's cool and whatever. Sure, at this point you've probably driven some pretty sick cars too, right? Yeah, Lamborghinis, Lotus, G-Wagons, Mercedes out the ass, all kinds of cool cars, but none of them were that car. Sounds like I don't need that magical internet money. All right, so what's up with this magical internet money? Never sell the car. I'm sorry, what? That's the message. Never sell the car. Never sell the car. What magical internet money? What's going on there? Never sell the car. Okay, well, take care. No, I'm not ready to go back. Let me get one of those cigarettes first. I could probably go for some more of these. Oh, wow. This is a lot different than I remember. Hi, Mr. Technicals. I'm the president of the world. Oh, wow, Mr. President. I can tell you're the president because you're wearing a collared shirt. That's right, we owe you a great debt. By going back in time, you've inadvertently created a future where cryptocurrency never existed. And that avoided all the pain and misery, and we were able to create a utopian society. Hey, just doing my part. So considering that I ushered in utopia, is there some kind of monetary reward for that? Actually, in our world, we don't use money anymore. Hell, the only thing that has any sort of value are 1994 Chevy Cavaliers. Well, just owning one of those, you'd be the most powerful person in the world. You don't say. Well, I just happen... Wait a minute. You want me to trade my car for like 30, 40 perks? Deal.